Alfred. Security has never looked smarter. Alfred locks can be used on any door type and can be powered by battery, hardwired, or even by wireless charging technologies. Imagine a smart lock on a glass door, solid door, sliding door, wood door, and fire-rated door. We grouped our products into 4 categories: DB1 series, DB2 series, DB2S series, and ML2 series. World-class locks on any door, anytime, any place. Use Alfred locks for your home, your business, or for commercial and industrial applications. All Alfred locks are designed to meet building code requirements. They are ready for all weather conditions and make remote security control easy. For over 30 years, our team has been manufacturing commercial and industrial-grade door hardware. We have a solution for any door. Visit alfredlocks.com, revolutionizing the way you lock your door.